In today's video, I will be placing a balloon on a faucet. Faucets are bad about accumulating limescale mineral buildup. These clogs can prevent water flow as well as decrease water pressure. To perform this cleaning hack, you will need a regular balloon as well as some distilled white vinegar. Next, pour some of the vinegar into the balloon using a funnel. Gloves are recommended as the acidity can aggravate your hands. Next, wrap the balloon around the faucet head, submerging it into the vinegar and allow it to dwell for 1 to 12 hours. This will loosen up the calcium buildup, allowing you to clean it with ease. After time has elapsed, use a non-scratch sponge to remove any remnant. You can also use a nylon brush for this process. Once cleaned, rinse thoroughly, and your results should be a limescale-free faucet with restored water flow and water pressure. If you like the video, leave a comment down below as well as like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.